I am a guy and had a friends with benefits relationship with one of my lesbian friends. We'd been friends for many years. One night we were hanging out, getting high, when she remarked that she was horny. I said that I would help her out and we had sex. From that night on we had regular sex until she met someone. We did have penetrative sex many times, but most of our encounters were just stimulating each other orally or mutual masturbation. We are still friends today, but our FWB relationship ended many years ago. I am married and she is in a stable relationship. My wife and her partner knows about our past. It was great fun. Many heterosexual FWB relationships runs the risk of one of the partners falling in love with the other one, resulting in heartbreak, but in this case there was no such risk. My lesbian friend is very masculine. The day I met her I thought she was a man. Only after talking to her I realized she was a woman. Before we had sex I regarded her as one of the boys, so that first time was a little bit awkward. Not awkward in the sense that the sex was awkward, that first time was great actually, but I never really imagined her as a person with a vagina and breasts.